Import numpy as np. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. From matplotlib.animation, import FuncAnimation, FFMpegWriter, FFMpegWriter. X data, Y data, fig ax, plt.subplots, fig size 8:4, line equals ax.plot, lw2, ax.set timelim, 0 to 10, ax.set yilim, -1.5, ax.title animated sinex plot. Def update frame, X data append frame, Y data append np.sin frame, line.set data, X data, Y data, return line, Annie equals FuncAnimation fig update, frames np.linspace 0 to 10, 200, blit equals true, hashtag video format the socklosh, writer equals FFMpegWriter, FPS equals 30, Annie.save animated sinplot.mp4, writer, please show. Animation features, the plot evolves frame by frame, from x equals 0 to x equals 10, drawing the sine wave in real time. X data and Y data grow with each frame, and np.sin frame computes the sine value for the current x point. The line is animated using FuncAnimation from matplotlib.animation. Graph appearance. The x-axis is fixed from 0 to 10. The y-axis spans -1.5 to 1.5. accommodating the full range of sinex. The sine wave starts from the left and animates to the right as time progresses. The animation title is Animated Sinex Plot. Output. The animation is saved as a video file named animatedsinplot.mp4 with 30 frames per second using FFMpegWriter. Use case. This animated graph is especially helpful for teaching or learning how sinex behaves over time, creating engaging visual content for educational or presentation purposes, demonstrating how functions can be built up incrementally using Python. If you'd like, I can help you add labels, grid lines, or point markers to the animation. Use a GIF format instead of .mp4. Animate other functions, e.g. cosine, e to xx, or sinx times cosx. Create multiple animated plots side by side.